We're here with another Codewars challenge. This one's in Python and it's a level 8 Caillou. And as always, a link to the challenge will be posted in the show notes below the video. So I encourage you to try it before you watch the video. You can always pause it and come back and compare your work to mine. Okay, so in this one, we're going to write a function that converts the input string to uppercase. And I'm going to look at the tests here because I'm not sure. Okay, so basically all caps is what we're doing here. So here's the input. This is the expected output. Okay, so this is pretty easy. There's we're given the string. This is going to be our parameter s, and that's the string. And there's a string method that will uppercase that. So it's s.upper. Remember, a method is basically, until you understand object-oriented programming, for now, you can just kind of know that a method is a function that is preceded with a dot. Those are always methods. And this particular method works on all strings, and it makes them uppercase. Let's try this out. All right, so far so good. Let's do the full submission here. And we're done.